Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because, well, first of all, I was able to go in the morning to go to Disney, which was really exciting. The opening of the Magic Kingdom, it's just so great. Yeah, it makes you feel like you're on vacation even though you're not. But anyway, I'm excited because I want to tell you guys about some hygiene stuff. I was going to just put it in all one video, but I'm deciding to do different videos of the different objects because some of them you may be like, oh, I don't need to know about that. But the first one is Panasonic electric shaver for women. Cordless 4-blade razor, close curves, bikini attachment, pop-up trimmer, wet dry operation. That was a mouthful. This thing right here, guys, this is the charger. Sorry. Is amazing. OMG. So, okay, so since I've been pregnant, what I normally do is, well, before I was pregnant, shave your legs, what have you, but I will wax underneath my arms. My skin, I didn't realize when they say, oh, when you're pregnant, your skin is a lot more sensitive. I'm like, yeah, okay. Maybe for some people, you know how we go. Not for me, though. That's some people. Well, I'm one of those people. I was waxing my underarms normal. Wax not too hot, nothing like that. But my skin was burning. I was leaving burn marks after the wax. And I was like, what is going on? And so I was like, okay, well, maybe if I let it cool down a lot more, burn marks. I said, okay, look, I'm going to have to do something else. So I was trying other products, different things, pregnancy stuff, safe stuff. And then I said, well, let me try this. Guys, this is something you can use for your whole body. Like when they say bikini area, everything, yes. And the idea of this gets a smooth shave. When I say a smooth shave, like as if I use this right here. And I'm just surprised. I'm completely surprised because I've never used one of these on my legs or my underarms or anything of that nature. So I was a little skeptical. But how about I tell you about it? It retails for $29.99. Now, if you don't want the extra attachment for the shaver, you can get it for $18.99. But let's see. It says it is a wet dry electric shaver and trimmer, 2-in-1. Built-in pop-up trimmer with attachment details, legs and underarms, bikini attachment with adjustable settings, trims, sensitive bikini area, wet dry waterproof shaver allows for convenient shaving in or out of the shower. Yes. I'll tell you more about that in a second. Flexible pivoting head, Panasonic flexible pivoting electric shaver head glides effortlessly to trace the individual contours of legs, arms, under the arms, and bikini areas. Yes. Hyperallergenic stainless steel blades, high quality, is gentle on sensitive skin to avoid irritation while shaving and trimming. Yes. And it is rechargeable. So basically, let me show you. This is the lever, and you can push it up. How about I clean this for a second? I'm sorry. Obviously, I did not clean it. Okay. Well, as much as I can in this moment. Okay, there you go. That's the trimmer. And then I can pull it down. But it pulls up for the trimmer, and then I can pull it down. I really don't use the trimmer, really. You can, but I don't. I just use this, and that's what it sounds like. Like that. And I find going against the grain of the hair gives me that smooth finish. If I go with the grain, it really doesn't do much. You got to go against the grain. And keep doing that until it gives you a smooth finish. Now, once you have that smooth finish, don't keep going or you can irritate your skin and it will get red. I've done that before where I'm just like, oh, this is great. This is wonderful. Okay, Shawana, you can stop now. But it works on your legs, everything, guys. Everything, which is crazy. Now, one of the drawbacks is this. Because it's not wax, the next day you'll start feeling some form of a stubble. So you can do this every day if you want to. I would just make sure you have a full charge. So before using it, make sure you do a full charge for 24 hours. And FYI, this red light never turns green to show it's a full charge. Just make sure you do it for 24 hours and that is fully charged so that you're not getting a less than desirable effect. Also, when you use it wet, make sure your area is soaking wet, not damp or anything of that nature, because it needs to glide over it. So yeah, just to be clear on that. And to clean it, just press these two and you pull it up and you shake it. You can put water through it, all that stuff. And then you just press it back down and it's not a big deal. There we go. I love this thing. I haven't touched this in weeks. Nothing's wrong with shavers. Shavers are still great, but while I'm pregnant, and I'm going to use this after I'm pregnant because this is just so awesome. And if you need this as well, I don't use this, but you can, yeah, you can. But I find it interesting because with this, there's a number in the back, 3. So it's the highest. And then you press it and you go down to 2 and it lowers. And then you go down to 1 and it lowers to the lowest form. So however far you need it. But I don't use it. But some people might. So it's nice to have just in case. But I thought I'd tell you guys about this because this was amazing. And I'm so happy that I purchased it. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys to figure out if it's something you want to try or not. And yeah, it's great. It's completely no more wax. And I'm done with this too. So it's kind of nice. All right. I will see you guys next time. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing Sunday. Bye.